All 10th and 11th graders in Howard County took the redesigned PSAT on October 14th. In talking to many of our students, they found the PSAT test very challenging and couldn't answer several questions on topics they either had forgotten or had never been taught. To address these needs, BrightSpot will offer, beginning in January of 2016, a redesigned SAT-1 preparation course for the upcoming March, May, and June of 2016 test dates. The course will start with a brief introduction to the design of the new exam, and then introduce several test-taking strategies. After these, extensive examples and techniques will be reviewed, covering the 4 content areas in the redesigned SAT. The first area is the heart of algebra. Topics tested in this section include linear equations and inequalities in 1 and 2 variables, functions and functional notation, systems of equations and inequalities, and making connections between algebraic and graphical representations. The second content area is problem solving and data analysis. Students will be assessed on ratios and proportions, unit conversions and calculating density, interpreting and using linear, quadratic, and exponential models to describe how variables are related. The next area is referred to as the Passport to Advanced Math. Knowledge of quadratic and exponential functions, radicals and rational expressions and equations, polynomials, systems of equations, sketching graphs, and solving literal equations will be tested. The fourth content area is called Additional Topics in Math. Students must answer questions involving trigonometry, volume formulas, the Pythagorean theorem, special right triangles, complex numbers, conversions between radians and degrees, arc length, sector areas, and similar triangles. We suggest a minimum of at least 6 to 8 one-hour sessions, depending upon each student's background, to be prepared for this new redesigned SAT. Students will be asked to purchase a textbook with sample math exams that will be assigned to them to be done at home and scored. When the student returns for his next session, we will review any questions missed or omitted. This will bring out more strategies to be applied. As a student works more model tests, there should be a gradual rise in his overall math score. Another current topic of concern to both parents and students are the low results of last year's PARCC testing. PARCC is an acronym for Partnership for Assessment and Readiness for College and Careers. This nationwide exam will eventually replace Maryland's high school assessment tests as a graduation requirement. Parents and students must understand that both the PARCC exams and the redesigned SAT test are modeled after the Common Core objectives. These objectives are currently being implemented and will be introducing more advanced math topics at earlier grade levels. Presently, there are no Common Core textbooks in the tested subjects of Algebra 1, Geometry, or Algebra 2. Students are given worksheets for homework and only infrequently use a textbook. BrightSpot has the ability to reteach any Common Core topics and provide additional practice for students to better understand these concepts. We can also provide preparation for the PARCC exams in Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. Lastly, our BrightSpot staff and myself would like to wish all of our students and their families a very joyous holiday season. Thank you.